Hello everyone, my name is Mr. Strawberry, and today I'm going to share with you all on retirement planning. What is retirement planning? Retirement planning refers to financial strategies of the saving, the investment, and ultimately the distribution of money meant to sustain oneself during their retirement. Why is it important for us to plan for retirement? We know that one cannot work forever. The average life expectancy is increasing. Nowadays, higher complications, for example, medical emergencies, and the best time to fulfill our life aspiration, and many other reasons more. Besides that, I want to share with you guys the benefits of retirement planning. The first benefit is stress-free life. With having investments that earn regular income during retirement leads you to a worry-free life. Retirement is the age where one has to relax and reap the benefits of all the hard work. The second benefit is tax benefits. Retirement planning also helps in tax saving. For example, investments in retirement plan qualify for tax exemption. These are long-term investments suitable for retirement. The third important benefit is beating inflation. Holding money in a bank savings account will not generate high returns. Therefore, proper investment planning will help one to generate significant returns in the long term. Also, it is important to start investing early. This helps in averaging out the impact of market volatility. So I think it is time for you to start to plan your retirement now. Any queries, you can email me at barry.r@maybank.com. Thanks for watching guys, don't forget to like and subscribe.